Wouldn't it be cool if you could find the object you want, regardless of the layer or class it's on, and be able to select it and zoom into it? That's what we're going to talk about today. It's called Force Select. Now, at the moment, this object here, this is a wash hand basin, its class is turned gray. So you notice I can't select it. Its layer is turned gray as well. So you can see I've got the gray layers here, which means I can't select that object. However, if I right click on it and choose Force Select, you'll notice that my layers have changed. This is now the active layer. The classes have changed. So fixtures is now the active layer. So everything has changed to allow me to select that object. It's called Force Select, and it's really cool. So regardless of where you are, just zoom out, see everything. Even though you're on the wrong layer and you can't select something, you right click, you choose Force Select. It's up here. There it is, Force Select. Choose that, and it will reactivate the layer. It'll reactivate any classes that are needed, and it'll change those settings so that you will be able to select that object. You'll notice here that I changed from the site model to the walls layer, allowing me to select that handrail. If the railing was turned gray, then it would allow me to select it. Now, this only works if you can see the object. If you turn the class off completely, no, you can't see it. I don't use this all the time, but goodness me, when I need it, it is so valuable. So thanks for watching. Hey, if you really like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Really helps other people to find my movies. And also become a subscriber and click on the bell so you get notified when I upload a new movie. If you want to see these movies early, become a member. Members get to see these movies sometimes days ahead of everybody else. Thanks for watching.